Alright YouTube, so I'll show you how to change the oil pressure switch on the 2019 Kia Sorento LX. So I'm on the passenger side here. You're gonna go under the car, and then you see your oil filter, oil pan, and it's gonna be behind the oil pan. You're gonna see this bracket right here. I already removed the bolts, but it's got 2 bolts at the top, 2 at the bottom. Once you remove that, even before you remove it, you can see the oil switch right there. That's it right there. And you can even see it barely. You can see it behind the bracket, sort of. But yeah, remove those 4 bolts, which I already did. And then kind of twist that around. So you move the bracket out of the way. And there it is. Then you can go ahead and click that switch right there to take off the electrical part. Hey. Focus. Alright, and then you can go ahead and remove the old part with one of these. Probably just ask them at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. So yeah, once you got it on there, you might you gotta play around with it a little bit, but put your wrench on and then twist it off. But yeah, we're doing this because the oil pan light keeps coming on every time we brake in the Kia Sorento. It's a common problem with Kias, unfortunately. But yeah, this should fix the problem, putting in the new oil pressure switch. Thanks.